So let us proceed with our next lesson, which is all about volume. Last grading, we studied total surface area in which we calculated for the overall area of all of the faces of the solid figure. So yung net faces, kinuha lang natin yung area niya and then pinag-add-add lang natin, pinagsama-sama lang natin. Kaya po natin nakuha si TSA or the total surface area. Now, if one part will be removed, kung yung base or yung top ay tatanggalin, magiging na siyang lateral surface area. Yung sides na lang kasi ang kukuhanin. Now, this time, doon na po tayo sa volume. So, first, let us define what is volume. So, dahil ito ay online lesson, pakikopya nyo po yung definition ng volume sa inyong notebooks. So according to the internet, volume is defined as the space occupied within the boundaries of an object in the three-dimensional space. So we are now pertaining about the space being occupied within the boundaries. Ibig sabihin po, yung nilalaman na ng pinaka-solid figure ang ating kukuhanin. Hindi na yung pinaka-face na lang. Kaya nga po, for the second definition, it is also known as the capacity of the object. Kasi nga, kung naaalala nyo sa lesson ninyo ng grade 5, sa solid figure na cube at rectangular prism is tinatry nating punuin yung isang figure gamit yung maliliit na cuboids for us to identify the capacity of the solid figure o yung kayang lamanin ng solid figure na cube sa rectangular prism. Kasi nga, the base unit of volume is cubic units by 3 na. 3 nang maliit sa ibabaw, hindi na squared kasi hindi na area yung ating kukuhanin. Now, for continuation, dun po muna tayo. Let us have the formulas that we will use in order to calculate for the volume of some solid figures na napag-aralan po natin from third quarter or even ng inyong grade 5 lessons. So, simulan natin dun sa general formula or yung generic formula, di ba? Lagi naman na meron tayong generic formula na pagbabasihan ng ating mga gagamitin sa ating bawat solid figure. Kagaya nung sa speed, meron tayong triangulated formula na SDT. Same with rate-based percentage, naka-triangulated din yun. So dito po, when it comes to volume, we are going to use a general formula. Volume of the solid figure is equals to area of the base. So nandun na si area. Area of the base multiplied by the height. So, pwedeng may madagdag, pwedeng may mabawas, depende po sa figure na ipapakita. Basta po the generic formula is area of the base multiplied by the height is equals to the volume of the solid figure. So, naiintindihan. Muli po, kopyahin nyo yung ating notes. Now, simulan natin dun sa basic or the most basic na figure na ating pinag-aaralan simula pa nung grade 4, which is the rectangular prism. So, sa rectangular prism, meron tayong tatlong dimension, which is the width, the length, and the height. So, pag tinignan natin, pagbabasihan natin yung ating generic formula na volume is equals to the area of the base. Itong binulugan ko. Anong figure to? So, ito ay rectangle. So, ano ba ang formula sa pagkuha ng area ng rectangle? So, iyon ay length times width. And then, meron tayong height. So, ayun na si height. So, the formula for getting the volume of any rectangular prism is length times width times height. So yun na yun. Now, sample natin. For example, the length is 2 units, the width is 3 units, and the height is 4 units. So, hindi muna tayo magsasolve. Doon muna tayo sa pag-create ng number sentence. So, ano ang magiging number sentence or what will be the number sentence if the length is 2 units, the width is 3 units, and the height is 4 units? So, magiging lang po siyang 2 times 3 times 4. So, kahit alin ang maunang i-multiply, dahil iyan naman ay multiplication lahat, wala naman magiging problema. Pero sa GEMDAS or sa MDAS, lagi nating inuuna yung nasa kaliwa para hindi tayo malilito. But, again, sinabi ko na po, kahit naman po magkapalit ang unahin ninyo, basta multiplication lahat or addition lahat, wala naman magiging pagbabago sa final answer. So, kung kukuhanin po natin ang volume nung or dahil naibigay na natin sa number sentence, pwede na natin kuhanin yung kanyang total volume, which is 2 times 3, that is 6. And then, hindi natin nagamit si 4, ibababa lang muna natin. So, ikesa na natin to dahil nakuha na natin yung sagot sa kanya. And then, we have 6 times 4, that is 24. And then, the unit is hindi ibinigay. So, again, pag hindi ibinigay, units or unit po ang ating ibibigay. And dahil ito ay volume, so we have cubic units. So the final answer or the volume of the figure is 24 cubic units. So pakikopya niyo po yung example sa inyong notebook. Post nyo muna and then let us proceed with cube. Ito si cube. Kaya lang, may something na different from this cube. Ang ginamit nilang dimension is width, length, and height din. Which is pwede rin naman dahil ang cube ay isang figure lang naman, isang rectangular prism na pantay-pantay lahat ng dimensions. Pero dahil pantay-pantay din naman sila, based from our past lesson, ang ginagamit nating term is side. So si width ay side pa din. And then, pag kinuha natin ang area ng base, so ano ang face na ginamit para sa kanyang base? So, syempre, dahil cube, yan ay square. So, ano ang formula ng area ng square? So, side times side. And then, ang height niya is side pa din. So, times side. So, the formula for the volume of any cube is side times side times side. Na kung i-examplean po natin or lalagyan natin ng value, let us say that one side equates to 5 units. So muli, let us first create or write the number sentence, which is ano value ng side, edi 5. Again, the value of the side is 5 again. And another one, dahil ang ating formula is side times side times side or S cube. Kung gusto nyo pang paikliin, wala na akong problema. So that is our number sentence, 5 times 5 times 5. And then if we're going to calculate for it, we have 5 times 5, that is 25. So nakuha na natin yon. Cancel na natin. Yung isang hindi nagamit na 5, ibaba natin. So 25 times 5 is 125. Again, walang ibinigay na unit. So, ang gagamitin natin is the word itself and then the small number 3. So, the final answer is 125 cubic units. So, pakikopya yung formula at yung example. Kung mabagal magsulat, pakipost na lang yung video and then play nyo na lang pag nakopya nyo na. Next, triangular prism. So, ang triangular prism is related sa kaninong figure. So, let us imagine na mabubuo ito. Ito ay kukonekta natin dito. At ito ay lalagyan natin ng another one figure. So, anong figure yung nabuo kapag dalawang triangular prism yung ating pinagsaklob or pinagkonekta? So, that is correct. Ang nagawa natin is rectangular prism. Pag dalawang triangular prism yung ating pinagsama. So, ibig sabihin, ang formula ni triangular prism is kagaya lang din ni rectangular prism. Kaya lang, dahil kailangan ng dalawang triangular prism para mabuo si rectangular prism, ibig sabihin, para naman magawa si formula ni triangular prism, kailangan nating hatiin yung formula ni rectangular prism. So, magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng divided by 2. Pero yun lang din yung magiging formula. So, ito yung kanyang base. Ito, yung base ng triangle ay base lang din ng rectangular prism. And then, yung length, yun lang din. So, magiging siyang length times width. Sorry, length times width. Bakit height ang nilagay ko? Purahin lang natin ng konti. So, length times width. So, ito yun. Lumalabas na si base ng triangle, siya yung width. And then, yung length ng rectangular prism ay yung length pa rin natin. And then, meron din tayong height. So, times height. So, the formula for the volume of the triangular prism is length times width times height pa din, pero kalahati lang or divided by 2. So, kung ano man yung makuha nyong product doon sa length multiplied by the width and then by the height is kakalahatiin nyo pa o i-divide nyo pa ng 2. So, example na natin. If the width or the base is 3 units, the length is 4 units, and the height is 5 units. Ibigay nga natin ang ating number sentence. So, length is 4. Width or base is 3. And then, height is 5. And then, wag natin kalimutan, divided by 2. So, yan ngayon ang lalabas nating number sentence. Parehas po ba tayo? Kung hindi, pakicheck nyo po yung inyong gawa. Now, multiply natin, kuhanin natin yung kanyang volume. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. And then, divided by 2. So, volume is 60 divided by 2. So, magiging 30. Kalahati ng 60 is 30. So, 30 units cube. So, the final answer is 30 cubic units. Parehas ba tayo ng sagot? Kung hindi, bilis-bilisan nyo pa ng konti para makahabol kayo sa pagsasolve. So, muli, pakikopya yung example. Kahit hindi nyo na i-drawing yung rectangular prism, diretso na lang sa triangular prism, and then the formula, the number sentence, and then the calculation. So, next figure tayo. So, square pyramid. So, sa square pyramid, i-relate na naman natin kay rectangular prism. So, magdodrawing tayo ng isa pang rectangular prism dito sa ating figure. O, ayan. So, imagine natin na yung ating square pyramid ay sinakloban natin ng square, pyramid. And medyo pangit yung drawing ni sir. Pero pagbigyan nyo na. So, according to calculations, is kung si square or si triangular prism ay kalahati ng rectangular prism, si square pyramid daw ay thirds ng rectangular prism. So instead na 2 ang nasa ilalim natin, magiging ng 3. Kasi according po sa calculations, in actual calculations, ang isang square pyramid ay isasakluban ng isang rectangular prism na kasing taas niya at kasing lapad niya at kasing kapal niya ay thirds ng sukat ang makukuha. So, divided by 3 na po. Now, ganun pa rin ang magiging formula. We have length or base or let us say, doon na tayo sa pinakatamang term which is dahil nga ito ay square, side, and then side. Kasi ang ating base na ginamit ay, ayun na, nakasulat na nga sa pangalan niya, square pyramid. So we have side times side para sa area ng base, and then we have the height. So side times height divided by 3. So yun po yung magiging formula ng square pyramid. Now kung ang ginamit na base is rectangle or rectangular pyramid, yung ating figure, magiging siyang base or length times width times height divided by 3. Kaya lang, dito sa ating figure, square ang ginamit, so side times side tayo. So, bigyan po ulit natin ng dimension or ng measurement. For example, the side of the the square is 4 units and the height is 20. Try ko lang. Gawin natin 30. Yan, babago-bago isip ni Sir. Hayaan nyo na. So, ibigay natin ang number sentence. So, one side ng square is 4. And then, another side, syempre, square nga. Pareha sila ng sukat. Side times side nga eh. And then, times the height of 30 units. So, yan na po yung ating number sentence. Pero wag nating kalimutan si divided by 3. And then, kuhanin natin yung final answer. 4 times 4 is 16. So, wala na to. And then, ibababa lang natin yung hindi natin nagamit, which is 30. So, we have 16 times 30. Hatiin natin ito. Lagyan natin yung calculation dito. So, 3 times 6 is 24. Carry 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2. That is 54. And then, ibalik natin yung hiniram natin na 0. So, that is 540. And then, ibalik natin C divided by 3. So, we have 540 divided by 3. So, i-divide naman natin. Ilang 3 meron sa 5. So, meron tayong isa. And then, may sumobrang dalawa. So, magiging 24 divided by 3. And that is 8. And then, hindi natin nagamit si 0. Baba lang natin. So, we have 180 units cube or 180 cubic units. Kuha ba? Nakasabay po ba? Okay, next. So, next naman po ay cylinder. So, si cylinder ay related din kay rectangular prism. Kaya lang, instead na yung rectangle ay may kurbada dahil yung kanyang bases ay square, nagigilang pabilog kasi yung base niya, upper base and the lower base ay circular. So, ganun lang din ang mangyayari. Kailangan lang din nating alamin yung formula ng area ng circle, which is may kinalaman kay pi. So, we have pi r squared, and then meron tayong height. So, yan na po yung ating magiging formula. Pi r squared height, or pi times r squared times height. Kung gusto nyo pahabain, pi times r times height. Or, sige, susulat ko na. Baka makalimutan nyo pa. Times r times radius times height. So, kung gusto nyo ng mahabang formula, pwedeng ito ang tandaan ninyo. Kung gusto nyo maikli, pwede rin naman itong nauna ang gamitin natin. So, dahil hindi naman siya parte lang ng isang malaking figure, at siya ay directly related sa rectangular prism, naging circular lang yung kanyang upper at lower base, wala na tayong divided by sa ilalim. So, tingnan natin. So, si pi ay laging 3 and 14 hundredths. Mula grade 4, grade 5, tinuturo na yun. So, dapat kabisado nyo na yun. Si pi ay laging 3 and 14 hundredths yung hanggang hundredths place value na estimation. So, tingnan natin. Lagyan natin ng value. Si radius daw ay 2 units at si height ay 10 units. So, paano ang magiging number sentence? Sige, sabay-sabay po tayo. Pi is 3 and 14 hundredths times radius ulit times height. Height 10 times 10. Ayan. So, ito na yung ating number sentence. So, pag solve natin, ito yung sinasabi ko kayo sa inyo kanina. Dahil multiplication yan, pwede namang magkapalit-palit. Pero sabi sa MDAS, una yung kaliwa. Now, medyo padaliin natin na unahin natin yung r squared. Kasi mas madaling mag-multiply ng dalawang number na magkamukha na kaysa unahin natin yung may decimal place. So, si 3.14, ibababa ko muna, uunahin ko tong 2 times 2 times 10. So, 2 times 2 is 4. So, ito ay 4. And then, 4 times 10 is 40. So, magiging 3 and 14 hundredths times 40. So, i-multiply natin. 4 times 4 is 16. So, carry 1. 4 times 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 times 3 is 12. And then, yung hiniram natin, tinanggal natin 0, ibaba lang ulit natin. And then, meron tayong dalawang decimal place, 1, 2. So, ibalik lang natin din sa final answer, 1, 2. So, the final answer is 12 or 125 and 6 tenths. So, itong 0 na to, dahil wala na siyang value, ay pwede na nating tanggalin sa ating final answer. Tandaan po natin na mag-move muna tayo ng decimal place bago tayo magtanggal ng unnecessary na 0. So, the final answer is 125 and 6 tenths cubic units. Sundan po ba? Okay po. Next. So, cone. Ayan. Ito ito yung explanation naman. Si cone daw ay related naman kay cylinder. So si cylinder ay konektado kay rectangular prism. So kung sa rectangular prism ay konektado kay cylinder at si cone ay konektado kay cylinder, so ibig sabihin, ang ating divisor ulit ay 3. So 3 parts po ng cylinder ang isang cone kung sila ay magkapantay ng radius at ng height. So again, tingnan natin ang kanyang base. Ang kanyang base ay circle, so babalik tayo sa formula ng circle which is pi times r times r, and then meron tayong height which is yung height ng same with the height of the cylinder, so height lang din ang magiging tawag natin sa kanya. So the final formula is pi times r times, or pi times radius times radius times height, all divided by 3. So yan ang ating formula. Lagyan natin ng dimensions para makapag-example tayo ng calculations. So same, we have 2 units ng radius and 10 units ng height. Gawin pala natin itong trick. 3 units yung radius and 10 units yung height. Para maiba naman. So muli, the value of pi is 3 and 14 hundredths. And then the value of the radius is 3. So dahil r squared, another 3. And then the value of the height is 10. Tapos, meron pang divided by 3. So muli, unahin natin itong mga whole numbers para hindi tayo masyadong maguluhan sa decimal numbers. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 10 is 90. So 3 and 14 hundredths times 90. So multiply ulit. Iwanan muna natin si 0. Sa 9 lang i-multiply natin. 9 times 4 is 36. Group 3. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 3 is 12. Group 1. 9 times 3 is 27 plus 1, 28. And then ibalik natin yung hiniram natin ng 0. Saka tayo mag-move ng 1, 2, 1, 2. So, meron tayong 200, 82, and 60 hundredths. So, dahil wala ng value yung 0 na yun, ay pwede na natin siyang tanggalin. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron pa kasi siyang divided by 3 sa ilalim. So, i-divide natin. Dito na ako sa taas mag-divide. 282 and 6 tenths. Iakit na natin yung decimal point. Divided by 3. Ilang 3 meron sa 28. So, that is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 28 minus 27 is 1. Bring down 2. So, magiging 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So, 12 minus 12 is 0. Bring down 6. Ilang 3 meron sa 6? That is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So, the final answer is 94 and 2 tenths units cube or cubic units. So, muli, pakikopya yung formula, number sentence, and the calculation. Meron pa ba? Ito na. We have the sphere. So, si sphere, formula niya is 4 na radius, So 4 times pi times radius divided by 3. So, tatlong radius para maging cubic units. And then, dahil 3 parts lang din siya, or 4/3 parts lang siya ng isang cylinder, kaya po may 4 sa taas at may 3 sa ilalim. So, isang unit measurement lang or isang measurement lang ang kailangan natin. So, bumalik tayo kay 2. So, kung 2 units sa radius, ano magiging number sentence? So, magiging 4 times 3 and 14 hundredths times, ayun na po yung ating radius, 2 times 2 times 2 divided by 3. So, muli, unahin natin yung ating whole numbers at iwanan muna natin si ating mixed decimal. So, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So, 8 to. And then, meron po tayong 4 dun sa harapan. So, 8 times 4, that is 32 divided by 3. So, magmumultiply muna tayo. So, 3 and 14 hundredths times 32. So, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 1 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 times 9. Oh, tama naman. So, magiging volume is equals to 8, 4, 0, 1, 10. And then, balik ng dalawang decimal point, we have 100 and 48 hundredths divided by 3. So, hindi pa tayo rin. Magdi-divide naman tayo ngayon. So, 100 and 48 hundredths divided by 3. So, ilang 3 meron sa 10? Tatlo. So, iyon ay siyam. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down 0. So, tatlo ulit. 3 times 3 is 9. 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down 4. So, ilang 3 meron sa 14? That is 4. And that is 12. And then, 14 minus 12 is 2. And then, bring down 8. So, 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 28 minus 27 is 1. Add 0. Bring down 0. Ilang 3 meron sa 10? Tatlo. 3 times 3 is 9. So, magiging na tong repeating decimal. So, itigil na natin. So, 33 and 493 thousandths and 33333 cubic units. So, medyo mahaba lang kasi may divided by 3 pa. So, muli, pakikopya yung formula. Kahit medyo natakpan, so ito lang yung formula. And then, the number sentence and the calculation. So, yung activity sheet ay isasend ko na lang sa group chat. Maraming salamat.